So you're thinking about becoming an electrician later in life. That's definitely achievable. Here's how you can get started. First, assess your situation. Evaluate your physical abilities and dexterity to make sure you are suited for electrical work. It can be physically demanding. Think about any skills you already have that might transfer to the electrical trade. Also, research the electrical industry. Look into different specializations like residential, commercial, or industrial to see what interests you most. Next, focus on education and training. If you don't already have one, earn a high school diploma or equivalent. A GED is fine. Then the best path is usually an electrical apprenticeship program. Try to find programs accredited by organizations like the National Joint Apprenticeship and Training Committee or the Associated Builders and Contractors. These programs typically take 4 to 5 years to complete. You could also consider attending a vocational school or community college. Take courses in electricity, electrical theory, and related subjects. This will supplement your apprenticeship. On-the-job experience is crucial. Work as an apprentice under a licensed electrician. Get hands-on experience with all sorts of electrical work, like wiring, troubleshooting, and installations. Make sure you always follow safety protocols and industry standards. After completing your apprenticeship, you'll need to get licensed. Prepare for and pass the Journeyman Electrician exam. This is a state or national licensing exam. Passing it makes you a licensed journeyman electrician. Also, think about getting specialty certifications. These can really enhance your marketability. Consider certifications in areas like photovoltaic, that is, solar installation, industrial electrical maintenance, or electrical code compliance. As you progress in your career, continue developing your skills and knowledge through ongoing training and experience. Look for opportunities to take on leadership roles, like becoming a foreman or even a master electrician. Eventually, you might consider starting your own electrical contracting business. Here are some additional tips to help you along the way. Network with experienced electricians. They can give you advice about job opportunities and industry trends. Join professional organizations like the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers or the National Electrical Contractors Association. Stay up to date with the latest electrical codes and technologies. And be prepared for physically demanding work and, at times, long hours. Remember, becoming an electrician is a continuous journey. It requires constant learning and professional development. Good luck.